Hey everyone, welcome back to Heartfelt Growth. We're talking about 16 things that make a man truly handsome. While looks are part of it, being handsome is also about how you carry yourself, your personality, and the little details that make a big difference. So, if you're ready to elevate your game, stay with me. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for more videos like this. Number 1. Confidence. Confidence is key. A confident man instantly looks more handsome because he's comfortable with who he is. It's in the way he walks, talks, and even in the way he stands. When you're sure of yourself, it shows, and trust me, it makes you 10 times more appealing. Number 2. Good grooming. Nothing says handsome like a well-groomed man. This includes a clean shave or a well-maintained beard, neat hair, and overall hygiene. Grooming shows you care about your appearance and how others perceive you. Plus, smelling good never hurts either. Number 3. A healthy smile. A smile can light up your face and make you instantly approachable. Keeping your teeth clean and taking care of your dental health is crucial. A great smile isn't just about looks, it shows warmth and confidence, both of which are incredibly attractive. Number 4. Physical fitness. Staying fit doesn't mean you need to be a bodybuilder, but being physically active and in shape enhances your appearance. Regular exercise not only makes you look good, but it also boosts your energy and confidence, which adds to your overall handsomeness. Number 5. Style. Dressing well is one of the simplest ways to look more handsome. A good outfit can make you stand out and shows that you know how to take care of yourself. You don't need to follow the latest trends, but wearing clothes that fit well and complement your personality goes a long way. Number 6. Good posture. Standing tall with your shoulders back is an instant boost to your looks. Good posture exudes confidence and makes you look more masculine and assured. Slouching, on the other hand, not only makes you look less attractive but also conveys a lack of confidence. Number 7. Kindness. Being kind makes you more handsome than any expensive suit ever could. When you treat people with respect and care, it radiates from you. Kindness shows depth, emotional intelligence, and that you're a man with a good heart, qualities everyone can appreciate. Number 8. A sharp jawline. A defined jawline has always been a sign of masculinity and attractiveness. While genetics play a role, maintaining a healthy weight, staying fit, and even practicing good posture can help highlight your jawline. It's one of those features that immediately stands out. Number 9. Clear skin. Your skin is one of the first things people notice about you. Taking care of it by maintaining a good skincare routine makes a big difference, whether it's managing acne, moisturizing, or protecting your skin from the sun. Clear, healthy skin is a hallmark of handsomeness. Number 10. Emotional intelligence. Knowing how to read a room, understanding emotions, and being in touch with your own feelings makes you stand out as not only handsome but also emotionally attractive. Women especially appreciate a man who knows how to listen and can connect on a deeper level. Number 11. Good manners. A man with good manners is always more appealing, whether it's holding the door for someone, saying thank you, or just being polite in conversation. Having good manners shows respect and class, two things that make you more handsome in every situation. Number 12. A sense of humor. Laughter is one of the best ways to connect with people, and a man who can make others laugh instantly becomes more attractive. Being able to joke around, without taking life too seriously, shows that you're fun, easygoing, and approachable. Number 13. A positive attitude. People are naturally drawn to positivity. If you approach life with a positive outlook and manage to stay upbeat, even during hard times, it makes you more likable and handsome. Negativity pushes people away, but optimism pulls them in. Number 14. Being well-spoken. The way you speak matters. A man who communicates well, with clarity and thoughtfulness, immediately becomes more attractive, whether in casual conversations or serious discussions. Speaking confidently and intelligently is a sign of both charm and competence. Number 15. Dependability. A handsome man isn't just about looks, it's also about character. Being someone who can be counted on, whether it's for a friend or in a relationship, adds to your attractiveness. A man who keeps his word and follows through on promises is always highly valued. Number 16. Passion for life. Passion is contagious. When you're passionate about something, whether it's your work, a hobby, or life in general, it shows in everything you do. Passion gives you purpose and direction, making you more engaging and attractive to everyone around you. And there you have it, 16 things that make a man handsome. Remember, being handsome goes beyond just looks. It's about how you present yourself, your character, and how you treat others. Focus on these traits, and you'll not only become more handsome but also more confident and successful in life. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss out on more tips to improve your life. See you in the next video.